As farmers glance at the 2020 growing season, it's not quite as certain as many had hoped. Montana Ag Network's Jason Laird gives us a look at some of the hurdles producers are facing this year.
Uncertainty breeds uncertainty.
Something Montana producers know all too well.
If there's anybody that's telling you that they're 100% certain what commodity prices will be like, what a harvest situation will be in a foreign country, the reality is they're not 100% certain.
And despite the talk of trade deals flooding the airwaves, the bottom line is commodity prices aren't great and appear to be on a downward trend.
If your revenue is decreasing over time and your costs are increasing over time and you carry a lot of debt, that becomes a difficult situation to manage.
But what seems to be all doom and gloom can be turned around with a little forward thinking.
It's really looking forward in the marketplace and saying, if I don't want to be a market price acceptor, then one has to define how they are different than other producers.
A marketing strategy that will not only pay off in the terms of sales, but also for producers seeking operating capital.
Bankers will have more confidence in producers that are understanding the marketplace in totality, understanding where consumer behavior is going, of how they can capture more money in the marketplace, and to be able to do that. And the reality is that commodity prices aren't great, but there are ways for producers to get around it.
In Great Falls, I'm Jason Laird, MTN News.
Jason also tells us although producers remain hopeful with new trade deals being signed, the reality is it will likely be 2021 before farmers begin seeing the full impacts of the new agreements.